Welcome to our leather manufacturing facility. Today, I'll show you the complete journey of how camel leather is transformed from raw hides into
The tanning process transforms raw camel hides into strong, long-lasting leather while preserving the unique natural grain and character of the material.
Master craftsmen combine traditional skills with modern technology to create premium camel leather products.
And that's how camel leather is transformed from raw material into premium handcrafted products through technology, precision, and skilled craftsmanship.